How to eat garlic in the morning for weight loss that we're going to talk about in this video besides its benefits. Garlic is a healthy food that has antibacterial properties, but at the same time a rather specific taste and aroma. Some say that it is desirable to eat raw garlic in order to improve the quality of your health, but at the same time 2 cloves are enough so that there are no unpleasant consequences for the body. Experts note that garlic should be eaten raw and fresh in order for it to bring maximum benefits. At the same time, this should be done before meals, on an empty stomach. Therefore, the best time to eat garlic is in the morning before breakfast. In this case, garlic stimulates proper digestion, improves liver and bladder functions, prevents heart problems, controls your stress levels, and in combination of all, you are going to lose your weight gradually. You can also mix it with honey and lemon water to get the best result for your weight loss journey. So if you like this video, please stay tuned with Health App by pressing the subscribe button with the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, be healthy, be happy always.